This is a quick tutorial on how to print black and white documents. So let's get to it. I have my document already up and I want to print this black and white document. I go to File on the left, go to Print on the left. Before I hit this print button, I need to confirm the device or the printer that I'm printing to. So you want to go down to Secure Print Color on VSU-printer-01V. Once you select that, now we have to confirm the properties of that printer. So you select this printer properties, this will pop up, and on the second tab from your left, it should say Image Options. Here, because we're doing a black and white document, we have to make sure that this box is check marked. You notice the icon on the right has changed color from that to black and white. So this is how you can confirm that your document will come out in black and white and your cost is only 5 cents per page of black and white printing. Now you can hit the OK and you can hit the print. Once you select the print button, window that pops up asking you to confirm your print release jobs. And here it is. This is the second confirmation that your cost will only be 5 cents for black and white printing only. You select yes, and now your print job is on your Trojan card. Okay, in this tutorial, we will be covering how to print color at Virginia State University. So this is just as easy as the black and white printing is. Let's begin. We have our document already up. I'm finished with my document. We're going to File on the left. We're going to Print on the left. Before I hit this print button, I have to go to the printer device and select the right driver, okay? That is the Secure Print Color on VSU-print-01V. Now, before we do anything else, we go to Printer Properties right underneath that option. Once Printer Properties comes up, the second tab from the left, Image Options, you have this check mark box here. Once you uncheck it, you'll see that the icon to the right has changed to color, letting you know that you are about to print in color. Once you see that, you click OK, and now you are ready to print. Once you hit that print button, there will be a window prompting you to confirm print job. And it also specifies that you have a total cost of 25 cents per color page. You click OK or click yes for that. And now that print job, that color print job, is on your Trojan card. As long as you have enough money on your Trojan card to cover the print cost, you should be okay. This short tutorial is to show the students how to make copies at these Xerox devices at Virginia State University. I have my Trojan card here, so I'm going to swipe to the left, open up the machine, and if I have something in my print queue, this is going to show up. So I'm not doing printing right now, I'm doing copying. So how do I get to the copy? You just hit this home button. Now you have your different functions. You have copy, you have scan to email, jobs, device, write fax, and print release. We're doing copying. So we go here, and if you scroll up, you're going to see various options here. So if I'm ready to make copies, I put in my paper, I bump my gray guides up against the sides of the paper until the indicator light is green. Now I simply scroll up and select Start. And there you have it. Before you walk away, make sure that you select your name here and log out. Because what you don't want to do is have somebody come right behind you and use your account for their job. Okay, this is another student tutorial of how to scan emails to professors and students alike. So I have my scan card, swipe my card to the left to open up the machine. And if I have anything in queue, your print release is going to pop up. But how do you get to your scan to email? You simply hit the home button, and there you have it with the scan to email button. Now, make sure that you have your document already loaded here in this tray, and make sure your guides are up against the paper. So now from here, you want to add recipient. If you're sending it to a professor on campus or a student on campus, you select the work network address book. And then from here, you put in the first 4 letters of the first name or last name. You hit search. It's going to come up with everybody that has that name. I look for the one that I want to send. It's going to populate there in the recipients list. You can change the subject name just to make it more personified. And you're ready. Just hit send. The paper is going to cycle. You'll see the little timer here, and is going to complete with a check mark. Before you leave, make sure that you select your name, hit log out, and then log out again.